Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to give internet access to a Lambda function attached to a VPC in AWS. Let's start by navigating to the VPC console, then click on Create VPC and give your VPC a name. Select a cider block, then choose Default for Tenancy. I'm going to select one for availability zone, one for public subnet, one for private subnet, and one Nat Gateway. Hit Create VPC, then give it a few minutes for the VPC workflow to complete. You should now see two subnets and two route tables. The private route table should have a route to the Nat Gateway, and the public route table should have a route to the Internet Gateway. You should also see one active Internet Gateway, one Elastic IP, and one active NAT Gateway. Next, click on Security Groups, then click Create Security Group. Give your security group a name, a description, then select the project VPC. In the outbound rules section, I'm going to create two rules, one for HTTP to anywhere and the second for HTTPS to anywhere, then hit create. Next, let's navigate to the Lambda console, then click on create function, then give your function a name. I'm going to select Python for runtime, then expand the advanced settings section and check enable VPC. Here, choose project VPC, then select the private subnet. This will allow the private IP of your Lambda function to be translated into a public IP using the NAT gateway so it can connect to the internet. For security group, choose the My Lambda security group, then hit create. Give it a few minutes, then scroll down to the code source section. Here, I'm going to upload pre-written Python code and its dependencies. Here, on line 6, I'm requesting the google.com URL, and on line 7, I'm printing the HTML output. Next, let's select this Python file and all its modules dependencies, then right-click and hit compress. Upload the archive.zip file in the code source section, then hit the test button. Give your test event a name, then click save, then hit test again to execute your Lambda function. Looks like the function worked as expected, as we can see the HTML output from google.com. Watch what happens if I go back to the private route table and delete the NAT gateway route, then re-execute this Lambda function. This time, our Lambda function timed out because it couldn't reach the internet. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.